Spring is in the air here at Long Haul Trailer Sales in Listowel, and we're excited to start off some of our new videos here showing off this brand new 2026 Trailmaster. This is the 2.4 RLS floor plan, and it's got lots of exciting features here to show off in our 2026. Starting here on the exterior, you're going to notice you've got great things like a pass-through storage compartment. Not only is that nice and versatile, but it looks great in here too. You've got these faux wood floors, great wallpaper there as well. So not only does it look great, it is very functional for storing all of your belongings while you go camping. In the nose here, a couple of features that are nice to display as well is you're going to have your power tongue jack here for nice and easy setup and takedown at the campground. You've got two covered 20-pound propane tanks with this nice cover there. You've got your bottle opener and dog chain to hook up your little furry pet to, whether it's a cat, a big dog, small dog. These are starting to come standard on a lot of these trailers, and it's just a nice little touch when you've got this space to work with. You've got this diamond plating there to protect from stone chips flying up and hitting your fiberglass nose. You'll also notice around this trailer you're going to have, although a powered tongue jack, manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit. Still easy to set up and take down, especially if you bring a little impact wrench there, impact driver. You can drop them down just as quick. This is a single slide-out trailer. You're going to have tandem axles on it, as well as almost, not a full-length awning, but a great coverage here for your outdoor awning, whether it's a little bit of rain or you're trying to keep the sun from beating down on your skin. You've got a nice full-length powered awning with LED lights for when you're sitting out there in the evening. While you're out there in the evening enjoying your awning, you can open this up here. You've got your outdoor fridge, perfect for keeping drinks nice and cold and easily accessible. Also comes standard with an ice maker there too, and you've got your receptacles there to plug everything into, so you are ready to go. Before we get on into the entrance, I want to do a full walk around of this trailer to especially show off this window here in the rear. This is a rear living queen setup for this trailer, but the rear living, you're going to get tons of natural light coming in from these windows, but they are tinted. Not only does that look great, keep some of that heat trapped in there. If you're going to have your AC running, you're going to keep it nice and cool. If you're running a little bit later in the season, it's going to keep that hot air trapped in there as well, and it gives you some privacy with that tint. You'll notice you'll have two more stabilizers here at the rear. You've got your spare tire, and it is prepped for a backup camera. Lastly, I've already mentioned, but this is a single slide-out travel trailer. So you're going to have a slide-out here on this side, give a little bit more room in that rear living area. And walking around, you're going to see you're going to have your outdoor auxiliary shower. All of your connections here easily labeled if you're a first-time RV owner. Nice and easy. Anytime you buy a trailer here at Long Haul, we're going to give you a full walkthrough and teach you how to use your trailer. But these labels are nice to remind you of when you're out camping. We'll do this final walk around the nose here, and let's step inside and show off all the brand new features and looks of a 2026 Trailmaster. One last thing I want to mention stepping into this is you're going to have a friction hinge door here, so you might be able to hear. It's a little bit of a windy day today here at the dealership, and this door is staying in place. It's still very smooth to open and articulate, but that friction hinge means, first of all, you're not going to have a trailer door bashing against the side of your unit, but you also don't have to have those latches here that are going to get ripped out when the kids forget that it's hooked up to the wall. Friction hinge is always a nice little feature that we take for granted. We've got our solid step here, which makes it nice and solid stepping in. And this is that rear living setup. Let's show off this window. Maybe not the nicest view behind the dealership, but imagine you're at this beautiful campground. You're going to have all of this natural light coming in and still enjoy the outdoors while you're inside your beautiful RV. You've got this couch here at the back, which is perfect for giving you a spot to sit, but not in the way of everything else. And for all those extra guests coming along with you or kids, you're going to be able to fold this out into a jackknife bed. You've got a couple of storage compartments here on the side, perfect for storing some extra blankets or pillows if you're using this as a bed, or even just to place drinks, phones, wallets, anything like that. I like how they're hidden behind those little arm cushions. Flipping over, this is going to be the slide out of the trailer. I love U-shaped dinettes because they give you just a little bit more room than a standard dinette. A lot of people have got extra guests along with them, kids, grandkids, dogs. Having this extra spot here at the back rather than a dinette that just goes across to the back gives you that flexibility to fit more people in around your family table. but it's also going to give you a great little sleeping nook. You've got these nice thick rubber bumpers which are coming obviously standard on a lot of these new trailers, but it's not just this little slip of wood. You've got these thick plastic bumpers. I said rubber bumpers, but they are a hard plastic that this table is going to drop down onto and give you this whole sleeping nook. You're going to get the cushions on the top. That's an extra sleeping area as well. Flipping over to the kitchen, these brand new Trailmasters have this great modern design of this nice light neutral gray. You've got these stainless steel appliances, stainless steel basin here, a nice high-rise faucet with this matte black finish, storage up above, and you're going to notice all throughout the trailer, not only do you have LED puck lighting, which is nice, easy to use and cast this beautiful light, but it's energy efficient, and you've got this ducted air. For appliances, you've got your microwave up above, you've got your fan with your light, for your 3-burner stovetop, stainless steel look, and an oven. Plenty of options for cooking, and it's still a nice compact spot with all your appliances, so you still get all this table and countertop space. This cutting board does slide over the sink, give you a little bit more countertop space if you need it. Lastly, you're going to have your fridge here. This is a gas electric fridge freezer combo, built right into the wall here. Easy to access, but you also have your outdoor fridge. If you're outside, you don't want to truck your muddy boots through the rest of your RV, you've got options both indoors and out. Last but not least, in the entertainment living area, you're going to have your setup for your TV. You've got a rainy day, late at night, you want to watch a movie. This is your TV backer location. All of your plugs you can imagine to have your TV set up and ready to go above this nice mantle with your electric fireplace. That's going to save you money on propane while still keeping the trailer heated. Got your thermostat here, and now we're stepping into the nicest part of the trailer. If you're the one buying this trailer, you're probably going to be using these two rooms the most, because this is the master bedroom and ensuite washroom. You've got your medicine cabinet there, perfect for storing all your little extras. Anything that's bigger than your medicine cabinet, you've got this great tall storage cabinet there. All your towels, personal belongings, first aid kits, they can all get packed away here. You've got an option to stow it away. If you're anything like my wife, you like hiding all of the stuff you have stored, but if you don't care too much, you've got easy accessible shelves in here too, just to place your grab and go items. Got your little sink here, not only storage, but access to the plumbing to make it very easy and accessible. If you're making upgrades or thinking repairs later down the road, that's going to give you flexibility where you're not ripping apart the trailer. And behind me, more storage. A nice deep closet here. Plenty of belongings can be stored. Once again, they can be hidden by the store, but it's also nice to not have your whole living area eaten up with all this storage. You still get storage underneath, but all these extra belongings can be tucked away here out of the room, so when you're in the living space, you can be living. You've got a great corner shower here. You've got this built-in full plastic surround with built-in shelves. Great design look to them. And you've got these beautiful doors there as well, keep you nice and blocked in with all this natural light coming in. I mentioned this is an ensuite to the master bedroom. You're going to have your queen bed back here. You've got his and her storage on either side. There'll be no fighting because you've got storage on this side. You've got 5-volt USB and USB-C plugins. You've got your 110-volt receptacles there as well. Mirrored on that side. Opening up this door here, you will have a slightly different setup. You can hang up some of your clothes. Storage up above. Plugins there as well if you're going to have a TV private in this master bedroom. And you've got all your switches around here with this beautiful LED puck lighting. Trailmasters are looking fantastic here in 2026, and it's a great opportunity for you to have this nice new trailer, a nice modern look, and still an affordable price. If you want to see everything else this trailer and all our other 2026 Trailmasters have to offer this year, come on down and check this one out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.